We knew he was dead. It is finished, he said. We had watched as his life ebbed away.
Then we all stood around till the guards took him down. Joseph begged for his body on that day.
It was late afternoon when we got to the tomb, wrapped his body and sealed up the grave.
So I know how you feel. His death was so real, but please listen and hear what I say.
I've just seen Jesus. I tell you, he's alive. I've just seen Jesus, our precious Lord alive.
And I knew he saw me too, as if till now I'd never lived, and all that I'd done before won't matter anymore. I've just seen Jesus, and I'll never be the same again. It was his voice she first heard, those kind, gentle words, asking what was her reason for tears. And I sobbed in despair, my Lord is not there.
He said, "Child, it is I am here." I've just seen Jesus. I tell you, he's alive. old song.
It is.
Thank you so much for singing with me.
No, thank you, Tony. Anytime.